going on YouTube? This is yours truly, DreThePlug, coming at you live with some more technical heat. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button so y'all can stay notified every single time I drop new technical heat. But in this video specifically, I'm actually gonna go over delays for electricity. Like, what exactly do that mean? You know how some things, when you turn it on one time, it may turn off later on as a delay, or for some reason, it don't instantly just turn off. I'm gonna actually show you guys more so how to incorporate that into your electrical components. Or even if you turn something on, it may flicker on and off extremely quick, kind of like a turn signal, kind of like when traffic signs are messed up, they just have that delay of it's turning on and turning off. And like I said, like some things even turn on and off extremely slowly, right? So that's basically what I'm gonna go over. This is a pretty good example of a good delay. This is a quick one, of course. That's basically what the project is gonna be about. That's what the code is gonna consist of. Really just delays, slowing it down, speeding it up, all that good stuff. And I'm gonna use different electronic components. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into our code, right? So real quick, you see a blinking LED, right? Okay, so specifically, it's not just for LED, it's for the electricity to come out of a board a specific way. That's what this whole code consists of. Yeah, the LED is just one example, but I can use other electronics and just remove the LED out of the way and put other stuff, like I said, with the buzzer and with the vibrating motor, and of course with the LED. So jumping into the code, just to break everything down for you guys. So I'm gonna go with const int equal to 13. I just randomly decided to use 13. You could pick any number, any port on the board to actually make an electronic project and connect anything that you want, but I just picked 13. Next time I go to void setup, that's gonna set up everything for everything to run. Then I'm gonna go to pin mode, and then as you guys can see, I have LED pin. The same thing at the top, that's equal to 13. I could name that whatever, but I just put LED pin. Comma output, right? So the comma output is gonna output electricity from the board to actually give you guys the ability to have power to go into any electronic. So after that, I'm gonna go to void loop, got digital write, the same exact thing, LED pin. Like I said, all of this could be named whatever you want it to be. Then I have comma high, which means turn on. So basically it's gonna turn on, then you have a delay. So the delay is everything that this whole video is gonna consist of. The delay is gonna determine how long it's gonna be on. Then I have digital write, and if you're gonna have something to turn on, you're gonna need something to also turn off. So then comma low in C++ language just means turn off. So high in C++ language, turn on. Low in C++ language means turn off. Then I'm gonna put the same exact thing, delay 500, right? So you're probably wondering, like, what's the value of 500? So 1000 is the equivalent to 1 second, to give you guys an idea. And right here, as you guys can see, my notes, I have it like calm it out. Basically, half of 1000 is 500, so it's half a second. But to make it even more quicker, I'm gonna make it 50. Go up, make it 50. So that's what's gonna allow it to blink extremely quick, just like how I just showed you guys. Let's get into it. Okay, so jumping into our construction process, right? Like I said, I wanted to specifically use 13 and the ground. So I used those two ports specifically. I could have used another ground. I could have used another number port if I really wanted to. I just decided to use those two. As you guys can see, my power lines right here, ground lines right here. This end over here, my positive end. Then on the other side is my negative. So I'm gonna just slide it just like so. And then I'm actually power it up. And that's pretty much it. That's the whole construction process. So yeah, after uploading the code, this is basically what a 50 millisecond delay is. You can see how quickly it's going off, and at the same time, how quickly it's turning on. So yeah, as you guys can see, the exact same thing that happened with the LED, how it was turning on and off because the electricity was going through the electrical component, same thing happened with the buzzer. Same exact concept, it turned on and off at the exact same time, at that exact same 50 millisecond delay. So this right here is a vibrating motor, right? So you may be asking yourself, like, what exactly is a vibrating motor? So when your phone vibrates, this is what's actually making the whole device shake. When you have any type of product, toy, electronic, anything, and if it vibrates, basically it have one of these, more than likely on a smaller scale. But yeah, this is basically what it is. It's a vibrator motor that's in there. That's what make your phone vibrate. So yeah, as you guys can see, I just added the power and the ground, and I added it into the circuit just like the LED and just like the buzzer. And this is the same exact thing. It's that 50 millisecond delay. Let me just power it on real quick and show y'all what I'm talking about. There you go. Wish you guys could actually feel how strong this vibrating motor is. It's crazy. Way stronger than the phone. Okay, so now that we got that out the way, right, let's actually go in and change some of the delays, right? So we have the high where we have 50. Let's change that to 5,000, which will be the equivalent to 5 seconds, right? So I'm about to upload it. Let's see what happens. And like I said, right, is that 5 seconds to turn on, right? Let's see. Uploading, done. So it's on for about 5 seconds. And then that delay to turn off is only 50 milliseconds. So you see how quickly it actually turns off. All right, so now let's do it in reverse. So I'm gonna go down, actually make this 5 seconds, and go back up and make this only 50. And now upload it. And done. So now you see it's off for a good 5 seconds, then it turned on for about 50 milliseconds. So that's pretty much my whole delay video that I really just wanted you guys to actually know and understand. When you add electronics to your projects, it's ways that you can actually control them to turn them on and off at specific times, at specific ranges. And that concludes this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. It really do help my channel when it comes down to the YouTube algorithm. If you guys have any questions regarding anything, just hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on the gram at DreThePlug 123. And then also go check out my other YouTube channel. This is actually my second channel. My first one was called ClassicCuts. I basically go in and give tutorials about all types of different haircuts. I actually show people how to do different type of things with the clippers that has never been done. And I pretty much go into detail as to why certain things happen. So definitely go check out that channel. Besides that, be on the lookout for my next content that's dropping. Be on the lookout for it because it's coming real soon. And I'm out.